Hi, this is Mrs. Oakley, and today we're going to look at Unit 8, Lesson 4. The objective of this lesson is that you will be able to write an expression using words. All right, so we're going to write the expression in two different ways just to get a little bit more practice. So the first one, here we have X. So instead of saying X, we're going to say a number. Let me shrink this down a little bit and enlarge my screen a little bit. There we go. A number plus 13. Okay, so whatever X is, that number, we don't know what it is, but whatever that number is, plus 13. We can also say 13 added to a number. Okay, so let's look at this next one. And remember, when you're doing this, make sure that you have that list, those notes of all of those key words and phrases that we can use for this. So here we have C representing a number. A number minus 9. We can also remember sometimes the subtraction can be turned around. 9 less than a number. Okay, here's a good one. Remember, when we have a number in front of a variable or a letter, remember a variable is a letter, it means multiplication. So we can say 10 times a number. We can also say the product of a number. All right, great job. Now, it is your turn to practice. Actually, no, it's our turn to practice together. My fault. All right, so let's look at this one. We have R plus. Let's do some more practicing together. So R plus, so a number plus 7. We can also say the sum of a number and 7. Another way we could do this, a number increased by 7. Okay, remember when we have it in fraction form, when we have it like that, we're talking about division. So we say a number divided by 4. We can say the quotient of a number and 4. And last but not least, let's look at these last two. We can say 26 minus a number. Okay. We can also say a number decreased. Decreased means less. Decreased, or actually can't say a number. We can say 26 decreased by a number, because 26 is what's getting made less. Now it's your turn to practice. Go ahead and pause this video and try these 4, and then come back and see how you did. Okay, so your answers may not be the same as mine. Yours, just make sure you used your notes and those keywords and phrases. I'm going to show you some other ways. You may have the same as me, or you may have something different than me. So here we have a number increased by 7. We can also say a number plus 7. Okay, here we go. We could say this 12 less than a number. Remember, that's that turnaround because we're trying to get something less than a number. So the number has to go first if something has to be less. We can also say 12 subtracted from a number. So we're taking it from. All right, how about this? The product, of a number and 9. Okay, we could say 9 times a number. For this one, it's division, so we could say 60 divided by a number. And we can also say 60 split by a number. Okay? Those are all possible ways. And I think that's the end. Let's see. Yep, that was it. That's the end of our lesson. So go ahead and head back to Classcraft, and I'll see you back here for Unit 8, Lesson 5.